Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share with you how to transform your iPhone's display into an ultimate low light experience with iOS 18. We're going to make things darker with dark mode and enhance the dimming capabilities with the reduce white point feature. I'll also demonstrate how to give your home screen widgets a sleek, dark look and conveniently add a quick toggle in Control Center. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable dark mode in display and brightness. Begin by opening the Settings app and navigating to Display and Brightness. Here you can select dark mode to give your entire interface a cooler low light ambience. If dark mode isn't already enabled, simply tap on the dark option. Step 2. Optimize dimming with reduce white point. Next, move on to the accessibility section of the Settings app. Here you can enable the reduce white point feature, which further enhances the dimming capabilities of your iPhone. This feature helps reduce the brightness of the white elements on the screen, making it easier to read in low light conditions. Now, for an even darker twist, go back to Settings and tap on Accessibility, then select Display and Text Size. Scroll down to find the Reduce White Point option. Turn it on and adjust the slider to lower the intensity of bright whites. This makes your screen even darker and easier on your eyes at night. Step 3. Add Reduce White Point toggle to Control Center. Want quick access to this feature? Head over to Settings, then tap on Control Center. Scroll down to the More Controls section, find Reduce White Point, and tap the plus J1 icon to add it. Now you can toggle this extra dimming feature on or off right from your Control Center. Step 4. Set home screen widgets to dark mode. Next, let's give your home screen widgets that same ultra dark look. On iOS 18, you can customize widget appearance separately from your app icons. Simply long press on an empty area of your home screen to enter Edit Home Screen mode. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option for widget appearance setup dark to switch your widgets into dark mode. By following these steps, you can create a visually appealing and cohesive dark theme for your iPhone. Even if you prefer light app icons or use a custom theme, your widgets will automatically adapt to match your dark display, ensuring a seamless user experience. Step 5. Quick demonstration of all features in action. Now let's see how these features work in practice. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Here you'll find the Reduce White Point toggle. Simply tap it to instantly dim your screen and then tap again to restore the normal brightness. Notice how your home screen widgets now reflect the dark theme you've set earlier. Step 6. Embrace your customized dark experience. With these steps completed, you've unlocked a whole new level of customization for your iPhone. Whether you're engrossed in a nighttime browsing session or navigating through low light environments, your device will adapt to your preferences, creating a visually stunning and comfortable experience. Enjoy your customized dark experience. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed learning how to create a dark theme for your iPhone, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Happy customizing! If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share your own cool customization tips in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next video.